Bitcoin circulation. Once you mine Bitcoin, you are rewarded with Bitcoins as part of the transaction fees for mining Bitcoin. It is as simple as that because you are like re-verifying your transactions. So for your work, for your hardware, for everything that you put in, you are rewarded with Bitcoins. This reward transaction is known as Coinbase transaction. All Bitcoin came into existence through Coinbase. So whichever Bitcoin that are in like circulation are not made out of thin air. They are made through mining. Once one Bitcoin was generated by the founder, then the second Bitcoin, once he mined it, it came into existence. And then he mined the third, and then the blockchain starts to form. So all Bitcoin that are in existence are through mining. As per Bitcoin initial protocol, Bitcoin reward will be halved every 4 years and will be reduced to zero once 21 million Bitcoins are mined. What it really means is there will be total circulation of Bitcoins at 21 millions. That's it. As of now. It can change into the future, I don't know. But as of now, the total Bitcoin that will be in circulation, it will be 21 million. And the reward to mine a Bitcoin will be reduced or halved every 4 years. And at the end, it will be reduced to zero. So this is how the Bitcoin is created. And this is the number one reason that Bitcoin is price is doubling, because everyone knows it's limited in supply. And anything that is limited in supply and the money when it chases it, inflation comes in and the price increases fast and fast because people know it's like gold. You cannot mine it as much as you want. You can only mine what is available on the ground. The same way, Bitcoin circulation is currently limited at 21 million. At the pace it is mined, it is estimated that in year 2140, 21 million Bitcoin will be mined. So the people buying currently, they are buying with the assumption that once it reaches 21 million, they will be the one holding the Bitcoins. And the people who are buying, they are buying because they know it's limited in supply. So the price increase is there for them. The price stability is there for them. Because once a thing is in limited supply, people chase it with more and more money. Because they know they cannot get it from anywhere else. And therefore, scarcity is the number one reason for rising values. Thank you.